Hey guys, I'm back with some Notion dividers, some free Notion dividers for you. This set is for Christmas. I know it's October. Getting ready for Christmas over here. Okay, so these are just super simple to use. They come in a transparent PNG format. You will get a file folder with all 5 of them in the folder for you to use. And they're super simple. I already have some of them over here in different sizes. So you just click and drag them over. And then if you need to resize them, here I have 2 different columns. And so if you drag one of them into the column, it'll resize to it. And let's put it over next to this one. You can move them around, you can duplicate them. And getting them is super easy. You can go to my website. I'm in the Notion shop here, which has my dividers, my headers, my templates, and you can find them in a few different ways. So if you go under Notion here and say to Notion headers, these each have their own article. So that's if you need some more information. There's instructions on how to download and use them. Let's go to the divider since we're talking about the dividers. And you click on the article and it'll take you to the item in the shop. There's a button in the article. But if you already are comfortable with how to use these, you can skip right to the shop and go to the dividers here. And then you can add multiple ones to your cart. They're $0. You just have to enter 0. Add them all to your cart, and then you can download them all at once if you want. And be sure to come back every once in a while because I am adding more dividers and headers and templates, eventually covers. The headers they're not covers for up here. They're more to label your columns and sections within your Notion. So you could put these headers with the dividers. So that is our Christmas set. It does work for, let's see, there's dark mode. If you happen to use dark mode, it works for that too, as goes with most of the dividers. So let me know in the comments what you want to see next, if you have any questions about how to use any of these, and thanks for stopping by.